The Stanford AI Index 2026 marks a turning point in how we measure the industry. The report details a shift from speculative hype towards systemic, measurable changes in how these models are actually used. In what's being called the Demware purge, enterprises are now judging deployments from late 2025 on real-world reliability. Flashy prototypes that fail in production are being discarded, while contracts are being renewed only for agentic systems that work consistently without human intervention. This transition is powered by a massive jump in capability. On the SWE Bench Verified Coding Benchmark, AI performance surged from 60 to nearly 100% in just 12 months, while the performance gap between US and Chinese frontier models narrowed to within 3%. This technical acceleration isn't limited to a few closed labs. Open-weight models are narrowing the gap with proprietary systems so rapidly that more enterprises are moving high-performance AI onto their own hardware, fundamentally changing their cost structures and procurement strategies. We are now seeing these capable agents move into highly regulated physical systems. The state of Utah recently became the first jurisdiction to allow AI systems to autonomously renew medical prescriptions. This means a machine can now evaluate a patient's history and dispense regulated medications entirely on its own. For the first time, clinical governance and medical workflows are being entrusted to an AI agent without mandatory human sign-off for every refill. While removing human bottlenecks can increase efficiency, injecting autonomous intelligence into high-stakes, regulated human systems immediately creates massive systemic friction. Sustaining these capabilities requires an infrastructure footprint that is becoming difficult for the physical world to support. Global AI data center power capacity has now reached 29.6 gigawatts. To put 29.6 gigawatts into perspective, it is comparable to the peak power demand of the entire state of New York. Individual training runs are reaching a massive scale. Training Grok 4 alone emitted 72,816 tons of CO2. That is the equivalent of driving 17,000 gas-powered cars for a full year. The reality of maintaining AI dominance is pushing national energy grids and local water supplies toward their absolute breaking points. This is the first year we have concrete evidence of entry-level job displacement. As AI adoption accelerated in 2025, employment for young U.S. software developers dropped by 20%. This displacement is happening over a fragile hardware supply chain. Global compute capacity has grown over 3 times per year since 2022, yet almost all leading AI chips are fabricated by a single company, TSMC, creating an extreme geopolitical single point of failure. Regulators are responding to these strains with new levels of oversight. The European Union has officially entered an enforcement era, moving past drafting rules to demanding immediate compliance on data privacy and ethical standards. But as the physical and economic costs of deployment overwhelm our traditional systems, severe regulatory gaps are being left wide open for exploitation. A historic federal court ruling in California has bypassed Section 230 protections for social media platforms. The court ruled that if an AI advertising system exercises ultimate authority over the content of an ad, the platform itself is considered the maker of that statement. This shift means platforms like Meta, Alphabet, and X can now be held directly liable for securities fraud under SEC Rule 10b-5 if their AI systems generate or rewrite fraudulent investment solicitations. This legal exposure is already being tested by real-world fraud. In the Austin technology case, insiders utilized AI deepfakes to impersonate financial advisors, tricking retail investors into a massive pump-and-dump scheme. The scheme drove an artificial price spike of 1,100% before the stock collapsed in a single day, wiping out $950 million in market cap. Unchecked AI automation has effectively turned the world's largest social platforms into unwitting distributors of catastrophic financial fraud. When you combine the environmental costs, the job losses for young workers, and the rise of AI-fueled scams, the result is a total collapse in public trust. The data shows a widening gap between expert optimism and public anxiety. Currently, only 10% of Americans are more excited than concerned about AI. Among Gen Z, excitement has plummeted to 22%, while their anger toward AI has risen to 31%. The ultimate consequence of this rapid acceleration is the alienation of the very generation meant to inherit these systems. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it with fellow AI builders, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.